Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mr. Talksy Channel. I'm Emma, your host, and I'm so happy you're here today. On this channel, we learn English in a fun and easy way with real conversations that you can use in your daily life.
Hi everyone, I'm John. Nice to meet you all. And yes, today we have something really useful for beginners. We're talking about daily routines in a big city. You'll learn real English you can use every day.
That's right. And we're going to keep it simple and slow so you can understand every word. We'll also tell small stories, laugh a little, and make it fun.
Yes, I like stories. Okay, Emma, should we start with morning routines?
Sure. So, John, what's your morning like on a typical day in the city?
Well, I usually wake up around 7 a.m. The alarm is, very loud. And then I hit snooze once, maybe twice.
Ha ha ha. Oh, I do that too. I'm always like, 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes.
Exactly. Then I get out of bed. Sometimes I feel really tired, so I drink water first. It wakes me up a little.
That's a good idea. I usually make coffee first. I can't start my day without coffee.
Coffee, yes. I drink it too. I also eat breakfast. Usually cereal or toast. Something simple.
Same here. But sometimes, if I have more time, I make eggs or pancakes. Not always, though.
Pancakes sound fancy for a weekday. I think cereal is easier when you are in a hurry.
True. And after breakfast, I usually check my phone. Emails, messages, and news.
Oh yes, me too. But sometimes it's a bad habit. You spend too much time scrolling.
Haha, guilty. So, after breakfast, what do you do, John?
I take a shower first. Then I brush my teeth, comb my hair, you know, normal stuff.
Sounds like me. I like to pick my outfit carefully. In the city, you see so many people. You want to look nice.
True. And then I pack my bag. Laptop, notebook, wallet, and of course, my lunch sometimes.
Good idea. I usually buy lunch outside, but sometimes I bring something from home. It saves money.
Yes, city life can be expensive.
Oh, I know. And then I leave my apartment around 8:30 a.m., and I usually walk to the subway.
Walking is good. I take my bike sometimes, but the subway is faster.
The subway can be crowded, though. You have to be careful with your bag.
Yes, very true.
So, let's talk about work or daily activities. What do you usually do at work?
I work in an office. I check emails first, and then I have meetings. Lots of meetings.
Sounds familiar. I teach English online, so I have classes with students. Sometimes it's busy, sometimes it's quiet.
And do you have a lunch break?
Yes, usually around 1 p.m. I like to eat something healthy, like a salad or sandwich. And sometimes I take a short walk outside.
Good idea. I usually eat with my coworkers. We talk about random stuff. Sports, movies, the city.
That's nice. I like chatting with friends too.
After lunch, I go back to work. Usually, I finish tasks and answer more emails. Sometimes I get a coffee in the afternoon. Again.
Haha, coffee is life.
Yes.
So, when you finish work, what do you usually do?
Well, after work, I go home. Sometimes I cook dinner. Sometimes I order food.
I cook often, but sometimes I'm too tired. Then I order delivery. Tacos or pizza, my favorites.
Nice. After dinner, I usually relax. Watch TV, maybe play games, or call my family.
That's good. I read books, sometimes watch TV too. And I like to check my English messages, like practice English with friends online.
Oh yes, practice is important. And sometimes I take a walk in the city at night. It's peaceful and the lights are beautiful.
I love that too. The city feels alive at night, but also calm.
And then, before bed, I take a shower or brush my teeth again.
Haha, good habit. I also prepare for the next day. Pick clothes, pack my bag, set alarm, and sometimes I watch one funny video before sleeping.
That's fun.
So, John, do you do the same routine on weekends?
Not really. I wake up later, maybe around 9 or 10 a.m.
Me too. Weekends are for sleeping more.
Yes. And then I do errands, grocery shopping, cleaning my apartment.
Same here. But I also meet friends or go to a cafe sometimes.
That's nice. And maybe go to the park or see a movie.
Yes, weekends are for fun and relaxing.
But still, some routine is good. Even on weekends, I try to eat breakfast, take a shower, and go outside.
True. Routine helps your day feel organized, even in the city. Speaking of the city, John, what's it like traveling around?
Oh, city transport can be interesting. Sometimes crowded, sometimes delayed.
Yes, the subway or bus can be packed, especially during rush hour.
But walking is good if your destination is near. And sometimes I take a bike or e-scooter.
I like bikes too. You can move faster and enjoy the city.
And I always see interesting things. Street performers, small shops, people in costumes.
The city is never boring.
Not at all. But also, you have to be careful. Traffic, loud noises, people.
True. City life is exciting but can be tiring. John, sometimes I feel a little tired living in a big city. All the people, noise, and fast pace.
Yes, I feel that too. That's why it's important to have small routines, like morning coffee, short walks, or reading a book.
Yes, and talking to friends or family helps too. It makes you feel connected.
I agree. And laughing, even a little, makes the day better.
Yes, small joys matter. And for our viewers, this is a great way to practice English too. You can talk about your day.
Yes. For example, in the morning, you can say, I wake up at 7 a.m. I drink coffee. I eat breakfast. Simple sentences.
Then, at work, I check emails. I have meetings. I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
And in the evening, I cook dinner. I watch TV. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Exactly. And don't worry if you make mistakes. Just try to speak. Practice every day.
That's right. The more you speak, the better you get.
Here are a few tips for beginners. Start with simple sentences. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Repeat sentences out loud. It helps you remember. Use daily routines as practice. Morning, work, evening. Listen to English conversations, like this video.
Yes. And try to talk to friends in English. Even one sentence a day is good.
And don't be afraid to laugh or make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
Very true.
So today we talked about daily routines in the big city. Mornings, work, evenings, weekends, and city life.
And we gave examples of sentences you can practice in English every day.
Remember, even small routines help you improve your English.
And even living in a busy city, you can find time to relax, enjoy, and learn.
Yes, start small, be consistent, and have fun. That's the key.
And don't forget coffee.
Yes, coffee.
Thank you everyone for watching.
Yes, thank you. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. Talksy Channel.
And practice your English every day. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning and have a great day.
Bye.